instructions. I'm Travis Snyder, and I'm getting a ton of wind buffering when I'm on the freeway at high speeds, and it's somewhat uncomfortable, and my head shakes around. So it's basically because there's a ton of air coming through the forks, through the front fairing, and it gives you a ton of wind buffer. It actually makes a lot of noise with your Sena, your Bluetooth, if you're trying to communicate with other riders. They can hear that noise coming through. And my buddy Kyle Bradshaw told me the best thing to get from my Africa Twin, because I'm getting a ton of wind buffering, is a Swagotech shield. Let's get started. I'm going to show you how to install this thing. It's really simple. You only need 3 tools. It's all Allen wrenches, a 3, a 4, and a 5. They give you the hardware that's needed, as well as the sweet Forkshield. So I'll show you how simple it is, and then once we get it installed, I'll show you how good it works. So step 1, it says take your 5mm Allen tool and remove the four Allen bolts. So. Okay, so after those are removed, place the small washers into the front screw holes, which are the ones we just took out, and the larger nylon spacers into the rear screw holes on each side. We're gonna get rid of these stock bolts, so let's just get rid of those. And this is what they're talking about. These are gonna be in the front holes, and these larger ones are actually gonna go into the back hole, which is going to be back here, like so. This one up here. I'll do it on this side too. And we got another one here. Attach the Forkshield to your bike. Texture side to the top. So this is the textured side, as to where the other side's smooth. So they're telling us texture side to the top, by using the smaller screws for the front holes. So let's lay it on there for the time being. So this is where the number 3 comes in handy, and we're gonna just start with this front corner. Keep the nylon washer in between the Forkshield and the fairing. I'm not gonna tighten it on there too tight. I'm not tightening everything up all the way. I'm just kind of keeping it loose. Use the larger screws for the rear holes, which are these. Tighten them slightly with your hands first before you tighten them with the 4mm hex key. Do not, and it says in bold letters with parentheses at the end, do not, I repeat, do not over tighten the screws. You hear that, Hulk Hogan? Okay. There we go. One of the last steps is tighten the front screws with the 3mm, and then proceed by checking the back screws. Check that nothing is blocking the steering, and enjoy a test ride with your bike. Smiley face.
Smiley face.
Alright, so let's just get these front ones. Do not, I repeat, do not over tighten. That's good. So once you feel it start to get tight, just give it a quick little. Good, there's the 3mm. Here's the 4. Punch. Start tight. Boom. They said once it's installed, check the steering, because these bar risers could catch it, but it doesn't. Looks like we're clear. We're totally clear, so we're good to go. Let's hope we don't get any more wind buffering, and let's hope the guys on the helmet communication can hear me a little bit better. Again, I'm Travis, and thanks to Manybikes Kyle for helping me out with this Swagotech Forkshield. I'm going to let you guys know how it works. See you on the road.